Hi and welcome to In the Can. So today I'm making pad Kee Mao. So in the pan I have 2 chicken thighs that I cut up into bite-sized pieces, browning. And to that, I'm going to be adding a tablespoon of garlic. A tablespoon of ginger, an onion that I cut up into slices, and I'm using a red onion solely because they're the cheapest ones on the market. And I am a senior citizen, so I live off of a fixed income. Then I'm adding 1 green bell pepper that I cut into strips. And I had small red and yellow and orange peppers. I cut a couple of those up. It calls for either 1 red or 1 yellow pepper. Also calls for 2 green chilies, which I don't have. So I've taken some dried red chilies. It'll change the flavor profile a bit, but I'm going to add those. I soaked those red chilies in some water, some hot water to rehydrate them. I've cooked my rice noodles already. Now I'm using pad Thai noodles. The recipe calls for a thick or a wide rice noodle. Pad Thai noodles are about the widest I know of, or at least the widest I can get here. Now I'm going to start making the sauce. A quarter cup of water. A tablespoon of brown sugar. I need to get my tablespoon measure instead of my half. There we go. A tablespoon of oyster sauce. A tablespoon of fish sauce. And 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. I want 1 teaspoon of black pepper. And 1 cup of Thai basil. And I have Thai basil planted in my garden. Oh, that smells good. Now I'm going to pour this over my rice noodles. And stir it in as best I can. I bought my Thai basil plant at Lowe's. Get some of this on a plate. And here we have it. Let's give it a little try. Mmm. Very tasty, and the Thai basil has a unique flavor, unlike other basils. It has a little bit of a kick from the hot peppers, chili peppers I put in it. Overall, this is a really good dish. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I hope you give it a try. Please subscribe, give it a like, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Bye.